Hi you guys. Today my cat's on my lap and I'm happy. Betty 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 boop. Yeah, here's her purring. Yeah, see, I got her to look at the camera. She loves me. Yeah, she loves me so much. Like, I brought her up. I did not do it by the neck. I did it by the shoulder, so I swear. If someone comments and says, oh, that's animal abuse. No, it's not. Look at Betty. I'm just rubbing the side of her face. Then I'm rubbing the top of her head. Yeah. I love her. Bye, guys.